I got vinyl flooring planks, like the Golden Arowana and Mohawk Home from Costco. They are popular choices for the low cost and durability. However, deep scratches or cuts can occur during installation or when moving heavy furniture. Fortunately, repairing these damages is not that difficult, and you won't need to replace the whole plank. To fix the damage, start by examining the scratched or damaged area closely to determine the extent of the damage. Clean the damaged area thoroughly to remove any dirt, dust, or debris. Make sure the area is completely dry before proceeding. I use the Roberts repair putty for fixing deep scratches and cuts on vinyl flooring. Start by kneading the tube of putty to ensure the material inside is well mixed. Squeeze a small amount of the repair putty onto the damaged area. Using a putty knife, spread the putty evenly across the scratch or cut. Press firmly to ensure the putty fills the entire damaged area. If the scratch is particularly deep, you may need to apply the putty in layers, allowing each layer to dry before adding the next. Work carefully to ensure the repair blends seamlessly with the surrounding flooring. Wipe away any excess putty. The putty dries quickly, but you still need to avoid walking on or placing furniture over the repaired area until it has fully set. I also use the putty to fill small gaps between the floor and transition. It provides an excellent finish, effectively concealing scratches and gaps. The results are impressive, with the repaired area blending seamlessly into the rest of the flooring. Just make sure to choose the right color when buying the putty. If you find the video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks.